Okay, this is 7 inches wireless video door phone 2MP. This is the carton. Then when you open it, you first of all visit the manual as an envelope. So through this carton, every other thing that you need to install this device is inside. And this is the 7 inches device that you display that you will watch it. Put this one in your parlor, in your room. Why the handle with the camera is the outside your gate or front of your door. So now I'm going to show you the one that should be outside. This is the one that should be outside. Yes. So, and the back, see, in case of the rain, they have cover, so you see the camera very well. Is the back, and then the battery, then the